Viewers, now we want to talk about research methodology. Some people will call it research methodology and design. It all depends with your university. Now, what are we expected to cover in research methodology? Of course, you need to have that title, research methodology, then introduction, where you will introduce the various subtopics that you are going to cover or to write about. And the first one is research or research design. So research design is based on the type of research that you are going to take. Your research could be quantitative or qualitative or mixed. And each of these research approaches have their own designs. So it is good to familiarize yourself with these designs. For instance, those doing quantitative approach, mostly they will use descriptive survey design. Those using qualitative may have maybe phenomenology. Those using mixed methods, they may have their separate design. So it's good to familiarize yourself with those specific designs. So state your design and indicate why you chose that particular research design. Now, apart from research design, we also need to capture the target population, and the target population is everybody, or all the variables that you are targeting to study. Okay. After target population, you need the sample size, and the sample size is calculated from the target population. You must show which technique you used to sample your sample size. There are many formulas. So familiarize yourself with those different formulas or techniques. And simple random, snowball, depending on the kind of research that you are undertaking. Now, after the sample size, we need also to tell our readers about the data correction methods, and here we must capture the instruments that we are going to use for data correction. And mainly you can talk about questionnaires, you can talk about interviews or interview schedules, you can talk about document analysis, observation methods, among many others. After data correction methods, we need also to tell our readers the data analysis method that we are going to use. Remember, after correcting data, if it is through self-administered questionnaires or interviews or document analysis, you need to analyze that data to make it palatable to a common person, to an ordinary person, so that they can understand. So you need to tell us. Other areas that you need to cover are reliability of the study, validity of the study, and ethical considerations. So for ethical considerations, think about the consent, seeking consent from your respondents, from your participants. Think about taking care of the data that has been corrected, all the ethical issues, getting permission from your institution that you will use or you will go and present to where you want to correct data. Others will be required to get permit from the national body like NACOST. So make sure you follow all those regulations. So after ethical issues, we are done with chapter 3. Thank you.